In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Facebook account automatically without password. So first of all, launch open Facebook on your device. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Initially, you'll be to the home interface. So if you want to log into your Facebook account without password, what you have to do is simply save your login info. For that, at first you need to be logged into your account. Now what you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Scroll down. Tap on this option log out that you can see on the screen. Now when you're logging out, you'll be able to see this kind of pop-up over here. Basically, you'll be able to save your login info. So what you have to do is tap on this option save that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, tap on the log out option. Now you can see over here you'll be logged out of your account. Now next time whenever you want to log into your account, simply choose your account and tap on the continue option. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be automatically logged in. So that is how you log into your Facebook account automatically without password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.